How to add Google Maps quickly find places nearby widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Now go down and then tap on widgets. In here, scroll down, then open up maps, so tap on maps. Then we scroll down again. In here, touch and hold on the quickly find places nearby. Drag on the widget and drop it into your home screen and let go. And that's it. Here you can use this widget to quickly search for places on Google Map, such as how you can quickly go home, go to work for directions, go to find local restaurant or local attractions, local attraction places. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.